All right, greetings everyone. So today this handsome boy, Noah Bear, is going to be opening a minion mini minion. Go ahead. See what you got. Dun dun dun. What did you get? What is the surprise? Really, bro?
Wow. Because it was stick-it. No!
Are you serious? Oh, wow. Are you serious? What were the odds it would be that one? What are the odds you would get that one? Wow. Mel.
I didn't got duplicate.
Hey. Oops.
Mel
He jumped.
Wall.
He jumped off.
Yeah. I don't know why he jumped off.
Pretty cool, man.
I need that piece of trash.
That's pretty cool. You got the last Mega Minion. All right, what do you have to say?
Thank you.
Okay, love you.